The eggs, huh?
Okay, go, go. Hey guys, welcome back to Sweet Mouth Kitchen. If you're a first time viewer, we thank you for stopping by, and to our returning viewers, we thank you guys. We love you and appreciate you. Keep watching our videos and supporting our channel. This morning we're outside again and we'll be making some ripe plantain fritters on the wood fire. Yes guys, you heard right, ripe plantain fritters. Let me show you our ingredients. Okay guys, so here it is. We'll be making breakfast outside on the wood fire. We'll be making some ripe plantain fritters. I have some ripe plantains here. If you ever have plantains guys and they're over ripened like this one here, you can make ripe plantain fritters with it. That is what we'll be doing this morning guys. Here we go. I do have some eggs here and some sausage that we'll be serving it up with. Well, some frankfurters, and we'll be serving it up with our ripe plantain fritters here guys. And these are the spices that I'll be using to enhance the flavors. All right guys, we're gonna start by smashing our ripe plantains. I'm just gonna use a fork, smash them out. I'm about to add some sugar in here. I'm gonna just put 1 scoop for now. This plant is really sweet, so I'm gonna put 1 scoop of sugar, and we'll add more sugar to taste if we need to. Okay, so we'll add some flour right now to our mixture. Probably about a half a cup of flour guys, because if we add too much flour we're gonna have to add more plantains and vice versa. Mix this in. All right, some water, just a little bit, not too much water guys. Guys, this is gonna be so good this morning. All right, I'm gonna add some spices right now guys. Now I'll add some nutmegs, mix it in, set the mixture aside, and start cooking our eggs.
Man, I love cooking on the wood fire.
Mm-hmm.
This is like therapeutic.
Oh yeah.
So lovely right now. It's smelling so good. It's so good. You smell it?